Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Jesse. I stream electronics as Oh Bother. This is work verb design, where I'm going to be dumping videos eventually. Let's get straight to the point. Burn the subs. A while back, I had the idea, why not give back to the people who subscribe to my channel in the form of art for myself on my own wall. Also, I get to play with lasers. The concept is simple. Subscribe to the channel, get your name etched onto a wooden board on the wall with a laser. This is the end of months of coding, building, testing, learning Python, and the project is finally done, and I can show it off in the form of a video. What you see here is a set of old stepper motors from a friend's vinyl cutter powering a 1500 by 300 millimeter XY laser etching table on the wall. The laser is a 1.7 watt blue laser diode with an old laptop heatsink stapled to it, and then attached to that is a 1U rack blower fan sucking smoke through a respirator. This is affectionately referred to as the tentacle of respiratory health. The table, which I put in quotes, uses an Arduino Nano with GRBL software, or gerbil or gerbil, depending on how you want to pronounce it, and that moves it around. That's hooked up to a raspberryPi, which logs into Twitch's API to wait for a subscription, uses the account name and number of subscribers already burnt to the board to figure out what the size of the text is. It then makes a virtual board out of previously entered names and randomly tries to place the new name text onto that virtual board until no two pixels collide. It'll then turn that location and text into a scaled and positioned set of G-code instructions for the gerbil controller. Once I hit a button on the board, it'll then send that text to the XY burner, and the reason for the button toggle is because it would be a very good idea that I stay in attendance while this thing is running. So that's 1,200 lines of Python in 14 different modules, all coalescing to create Burn the Subs. The result is that while I'm streaming and somebody decides to subscribe to the channel randomly, the board automatically comes to life, etches their user or account name without any interaction from me. It's super lazy on my part, and then the XY axis parks itself when it's done. The board will eventually end up looking like complete word-arty clusterfuck chaos with a nice organized center plaque. If you want to know more about the board, check out the much longer deep dive video detailing exactly how Burn the Subs functions. I may split it up into more videos. There's going to be lots of software and shop talk contained within, but if you want any more than that, check out my Twitch channel. The link is below. Thank you so much for watching.